My friend, have you ever been pushed to your breaking point? I mean, really been pushed to your breaking point? Listen to this. Anger can consume you, and here's what I've learned about letting go. Sometimes we reach our limits, and if you reach your limit like I have been, this poem is for anyone who's been there. You did it again. You did it again. Took me to a place of regret. I impulsively entered that dungeon when I had to get out of myself. Anger boiled so hot, temper flashed, I had to tell you to go to hell and rot. See, my friend, in Ephesians chapter 4, verse 26 to 27, it says, in your anger, do not sin. Do not let the sun go down while you are still angry. And do not give the devil a foothold. So, my friend, take a moment to reflect, to release your anger, and embrace your peace. I'm learning to do all of these three. So if you please like, share, and follow for more poetry that touches your heart. God loves you, and so do I.